I work in Locus. I do tickets, filing, photocopies, shredding, and other things. I worked here for 14 years.
Mullienna fil-kumpanija tejna billi tagħmel sorting, filing, tejn fi shredding ukoll, u jekk kun hemm xi affarijiet oħra li hemm bżonn li tgħinha tagħmilhom ukoll. Hija tfajla li ma taqtax qalba, lanqas xejn anzi, dejjem trid tagħmel xi ħaġa ġdida.
I used to go to Santon School. My favorite subject was home economics. I go to ET Foundation. I do a full CDL diploma.
Denise hija tifla b'karattru sabiħ ħafna, fejn jkun hemm dejjem iġib il-ferħ, jekk tara xi ħadd imdejjaq dejjem tara li tagħmlu ferħan. Meta ma jkunx hawn Denise tinħass fil-kumpanija li Denise mixaw, anke l-karattru tagħha li kif tasal tittamel kafe lil kulħadd. Denise hija tfajla sabiħa kemm minn ġewwa u anke minn barra.
I do acting and I go to acting in Leeds, and I had the main part of the Secret.
Denise is a person with many talents. One of her main talents and passion is acting. She has been acting with Opening Doors for quite some time, and she has always shown great dedication to her work, and also she has always taken her work very seriously, most especially when it came to working towards a production where rehearsals would be intensive, and she was always very committed to her artistic practice.
I am the member of the Opening Doors drama group. I used to take part in ģa ċaVetta.
I think one of the beautiful things about Denise is her sense of willingness to continue learning and developing her artistic work. And I think this is a great tool which will allow her to grow, not only as a performer, but also as an individual.
I love pottery. I do pottery pieces.
I have known Denise for nearly 13 years. She was still in her early 20s, and I've seen her progress over these years. A lot of her work shows and reflects what Denise is. She is bold in her work, and it reflects in her openness. She's also lovable and a sociable person in the group. She keeps up the conversation. She even brings a lot of joy because she makes us laugh. She tells us about all the latest music and her daily life. So she really integrates and communicates very well with us.
Work is important for me because I can earn some money and enjoy myself. I am very proud what I did so far.